see few more very important properties of magnetic material. So they are retentivity, coercivity and magnetostriction, right? So let's first see what is retentivity. So generally what happens, suppose we apply a magnetic field on a particular material, and this magnetic field induced certain amount of magnetism in this particular material, right? So as soon as we remove this magnetic field, this material stop being anymore or stop showing the magnetic property anymore when we remove this magnetic field. So as we apply a magnetic field, the material would generally not anymore be behaving like a magnetic with the magnetic properties. But certain materials, what happens is, suppose you give the magnetic field to this particular material or to a particular magnetic substance. When you give the magnetic field and then it gets magnetized and you remove the magnetic field, and we see that even after removing the magnetic field B, means even if at the absence of magnetic field, when the magnetic field is 0, even if the absence of magnetic field, what we see that there are, suppose the external magnetic field is H and induced, this is the magnetic flux. So even when the external magnetic field is 0, we see that in certain object, this induced magnetic field is not 0. It means that they still have the magnetization property inside even when the external magnetic field is taken away. So this property of retaining the magnetic properties even after the taking away the magnetic field is what is called the retentivity. So here what we see, that certain magnetic material, even after removing the magnetic field, they still have got certain magnetism inside. They retain this magnetic property inside. This is what is called the retentivity of a material. Now most of the material in this case, if you shake or if you do certain external force or if you give something external, what happens is this induced magnetic field inside, this will become 0. Even if you have removed, of course you have removed this, but inside whatever the left out retentivity was there, if you shake it or give external force, then this whatever magnetic field was retained will be removed. But still certain object, even after giving certain external forces or even it is exposed to certain external condition, still the external magnetization, still it is there. In such magnetic material, this kind of property, we call it coercivity, right? So what happens generally for most of the object, when you give an external force, inside there is a magnetization happening, and when you remove the external field, the inside magnetization becomes 0. But there are certain object where even if you have switched off the external magnetic field or you have taken away this field, there is certain amount of magnetization present inside this particular object, and this is the property what we call as retentivity, because they are able to retain this magnetic field or magnetization inside. But even after having retentivity, even after having retaining certain amount of magnetic field inside, if you give certain external force, now you expose it to certain external force, generally most of them, they lose this retaining magnetization. But still, if it still doesn't lose, if it's still able to manage to keep it retain the magnetization inside, that property we call it the coercivity of the magnetic material. So now we understood what is retentivity, what is coercivity. Now one more very interesting property is called magnetostriction. Generally certain magnetic field, suppose magnetic material, suppose this is a magnetic material, and you expose it to an electric field or an electricity, right? So as soon as you pass electricity through it, what happens is it will start to make a sound. There is a certain amount of sound that it produces, and it increases in its length. So this materials increase. So this is the increase in length, and there is also a continuous sound that we see. So this property of the magnetic material is what is called magnetostriction.
If you like the video, then press the like button, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.